friends, welcome to Bees Flower Designs. Onam, which is generally celebrated in August-September. Mostly during these celebrations, women of Kerala wear kasav sarees, which are white in color with gold thread works. Now I show you how to design your own garments in traditional way. Peacock design. One of my favorite embroidery pattern, it gives traditional look. Let's check how it print and design. For this design, we need blue and green color floss. Embroidery needle. For 6 strands I would recommend this needle with a medium size eye. For this work, we complete the pattern with French knot. No need to learn other stitches. If you are struggling with French knot, there is lot of another way to do it. I recommend you to watch my 5 different ways of tutorial video. I'm guarantee that you'll learn from it. Check my description for link. If you are a beginner, like to learn embroidery stitches, let inform me on comment box. I am ready to start beginner's tutorial class. This is your first time here. If you want to learn about design related stuff, start now by subscribing and clicking bell icon to get notification. I will upload weekly videos for you. You will get this peacock pattern from my Instagram page, check description. Okay, small beads need a needle with a very small eye, so normal needles are usually out of question. Usually beading needles are very thin and long with tiny eye, otherwise small beads would not pass through. Thank you for watching. Don't forget about subscribing and giving feedback. See you soon.